But what I really loved about the 40-day detox is what I tell people is it's bite-sizable. And so everything was really laid out, really explained, very thorough. I felt like you were holding my hand. I didn't feel alone. And the way that it was, let's do like your laundry room, let's do your kitchen, let's do the bathroom, the way that things were broken down like that. And it wasn't, let's do every household product and let's do every personal beauty care product you use. It was day by day, broken down, super helpful, and helped me feel not as overwhelmed. On the weekends, it's nice because my husband was home and we kind of went on these scavenger hunts together.
Really?
So it was kind of a fun bonding experience.
That's amazing.
Yeah, and it helped him get really involved and more invested. I write about this stuff all the time, and so it was really fun to get him involved because now we're kind of this dynamic duo detoxing together.
Great.
At first, he was a little hesitant because obviously it takes more work. It's a little bit more expensive usually, but when we sat down and talked about the risk benefit, he said his eyes were totally opened and it was so interesting for him to learn about this. So now we do that together and he always runs things by me before he buys anything. So yeah, we're like a little dynamic duo. So while he was a little hesitant at first to kind of go through and figure out what he needed to swap out, once we got on the same page, it's almost like he's excited because now it's a challenge for us to find something that's safer for him and for me and, a future family, like what we want to keep in our house. And so now it's kind of like a fun game.